Okay, so this is how to set up a project where you both write and cut on an image. So what I'm going to do is, and this is just a very basic thing, I'm going to insert text, and I'm just going to type in test. And this is already on a writing font, but I'm going to show you where to find writing fonts because they're specific to Cricut.com. So you can go over here to filter and click on writing. And there's going to be tons of options. Now keep in mind, if it'll say single layer cutting and writing, you're going to need to keep that in mind. So I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to click, it says writing. Now if you go to line type, it will allow you to either cut, draw, or score, and you would use this if you have the scoring tip or the stylus, just depending on if you have the Maker or the Explorer. But I'm going to keep it on draw, and I'm going to keep it on writing. Now if I had it on regular, it would do it like this, and it would do bubble letters, as you see. But I'm going to move it back to writing so that it looks like handwriting. It's one line and it's under draw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that there. Now I'm going to take a shape, and I'm going to just choose a heart because it's Valentine's and it's wedding season as well. And I'm going to just, for my own sanity, turn that white. And then I'm going to drag this over here. And because I can't see it, I'm going to go to my Arrange button, send to front. There we go. Now, again, for my own personal sanity, I'm going to click on Align, and I'm going to do Center horizontally. I don't want to center vertically because it'll show up weird, but you can also do that. So there's Test. Now you're going to want to drag and drop a square over top of it, and click on this wonderful little button, and I'll show you what it is. It's the attach button. So there is that. Now, no matter what I do, I can move it around and it's going to be the same way. The attach button is very important because when you go to make it, it will cut it out like this. Now if I'll show you what it looks like when it's detached. If I were to do that, click on detach, which is attach when it doesn't say detach. And then I go to make it, even though it's nice and centered and everything here, it will show this and it will show this, and because it will think that you're wanting to do two separate things on two separate mats. So again, I'm going to do drag and drop a square over it and click on this friendly little button that's a paper clip and do attach. So that is how to attach a drawing, or excuse me, not a draw, a write. But also keep in mind too that you can draw will just create bubble letters like I showed you.